So the goal is to make this wall here the accent wall. And this is a peel and stick tile. I tried to prep, but I ran out of tape. Let's run the Lowe's to get some more tape, to get some paint, because I'm trying to match the paint against this backsplash. My shoes just got wet. No. Tape and paint. So I'm trying to go for a like tannish, khaki, goldish kind of color. I'm thinking of going with Dapper Tan. It's like a darker version of what I currently have in my bathroom. I found Hopsack, and this is what it looks like against the Dapper Tan, and I think I'm gonna go with Hopsack. I found cardboard. So this is what cardboard looks like against Hopsack. So I'm thinking cardboard. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna go with. Okay, we're gonna get another one of these and some rollers. This time I am going to get the big ones. Oh wait, what's the difference between this and this? It's a price difference. I don't see a difference in the packaging. Oh, it's 6, that's why. Okay, we'll go with 6 because I'm gonna need some for Nathaniel's room. Grab this one. Okay, now that we have everything, we are going to finish prepping and then start painting. We are all prepped and ready to go. I got my paint sitting right there ready for me. So what I'm gonna do first is paint all of this to there, and then I would do the accent wall, this one, and then this corner right here. So it should not take me long. I also bought one of these to seal the paint to when I'm done.
She got me here working, folks. I've been in the office since 6 o'clock this morning, and it's 6:30 at night. And you know, she's on one of her DIY. Is it called DIY?
Do it yourself.
Yeah,
projects.
Trips, and I'm being the supportive husband. Oh, help!
It's Billy's rant.
All right.
He's trying to remove the toilet so I can get back there.
To do nothing. I'm about to do
Okay,
it.
he's about to remove the toilet.
No, don't be taking away the man's role.
Okay. So he's removing the toilet so I could do the peel and stick.
I'm doing it manly.
Back. What's manly like? Oh, I'm not gonna lean on it.
The way I'm doing it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I appreciate you.
The manliness.
But how long is it gonna take? Because I'm still trying to paint.
Oh, now she's rushing too. I need to get to work.
Okay. Do I need to get out of your way, or can I finish painting?
The man needs a space.
Oh, okay.
Man's work. Should be done. You guys will see in just 2 seconds it'll be done. Turn it off.
What is it looking like so far? I know it looks kind of weird. It looks like a milk, a chocolate, kind of like a poop color. But in my mind, it's gonna look good. Just we gotta trust the process here. We gotta have faith that it's gonna look beautiful in the end. Have faith, guys. It's coming along.
Hi.
Hi. She had to run over and say hi to you. Hi. Part of the reason why I have to paint everything, little girl. Wow.
Man's work. Told y'all it took 3 seconds.
Yep. All right. Getting rid of this. This is what we're looking like so far, and I ran out of towels, so I just ordered 2 more. It'll be here Saturday. I put tape because I was debating on just, instead of buying 2 more, painting from like here down and utilizing this to fill in the little gaps that I have. And I don't think it will look right. So I decided to just go ahead and order 2 more. So that way I could fill this whole wall, because I think it'll look better with the whole wall filled up versus part of it. And that's Nathaniel coming in here.
Wow, this is the first time I've been in here.
Yeah, this is the first time.
This looks like royalty. It's like we're in a hotel.
Yeah, it does look like we're in a hotel, fancy hotel, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. Look at the turnout. It is absolutely gorgeous. It looks so luxurious and beautiful. I was not sure at first how it was gonna turn out, but it came out exactly how I envisioned it. So beautiful. Everything we have, I ordered online. I got these towels from Amazon, the shelves from Amazon. I got these little pieces here, all of them, from at the at-home store, as well as these pieces here I got at home store. This is 3 different pieces, so this is one, and this is one. They only had 1 left for this, and so I was like, oh, I have to get it, because I was wanting to do 2 and have 1 of these, but it worked out perfectly. And this is old. This was already here prior to. The paint I got from Lowe's cardboard. You guys seen that. And I also ordered this from Amazon, a gold towel hanger, and then a new tissue holder, Amazon as well, and then a trash can to match. Got that from Amazon as well. There you have it. The only thing I need is to put like a storage cabinets little area here, so that way I can store the toilet paper, towels, and things like that. And then we need to get a new shower curtain, because the one we have, it keeps falling, so we're gonna get a new one of those. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching my DIY bathroom makeover. It came out So gorgeous. I love it so, so much. We have a couple of weeks left for our next cruise, and we will be doing Nadine's bedroom next. So we'll see you then. Love you. Mwah, mwah.